And record. Alright, so this is 2013 Bowman Sterling box break. Let's get that up a little bit. Sealed box. And I didn't put the number on the listing, but this is the number if you'll be able to go see it. I don't know if you can check it out in the picture. It's LA027079039 is the box number, the tag, and it should be on eBay. You might be able to look at that picture, but this is a sealed box of 2013. Now this is all of a sudden dark. 2013 Bowman Sterling football, sealed. You got the little tops stamps on there. And there's you guys sealed right there. And I'll go over the names here in a second. Thanks to everyone who joined. All the teams are paid. And you can see all the little, where is it? Top stickers up there. And on the back there's top stamps, I mean. So there's that. Let's put you guys down a little bit more. And for the teams, all the teams, there we go. So good luck to everybody who joined, and let's get some mojo. I haven't done a box break in probably about 3 months, so good luck to everybody. Come on. So good luck. Man, I can't wait. Next, what, 2 weeks? Preseason? I mean, preseason's nothing exciting, but you know. Feels like forever since football has been. So let's just show this one more time. Sorry, trying to show this to YouTube again. Alright, there we go. Alright. So, here we go. Well, that's not very sharp anymore, is it? One box of 2013 Bowman Sterling. Here's that pack. Put that right there. And we got 2. 2. And 2. We got us an empty box. Empty. We got us an empty box. Alright. Pack number 1. And I saw the first auto. Alright, so base card, Eli Manning. Eli Manning base card. Drew Brees. We got Deion Sims, rookie. Dude, I don't get why this is like so. Anyways, Deion Sims, Dolphins. Oh, I guess. Alright, so patch card, or jersey card, going to Mike Glennon for the Bucks. That is numbered 340 of 1214. And then, first auto, E.J. Manuel, going to the Bills. E.J. Manuel for the Bills. This one is not numbered. So congrats to the Bills on that. And I'm going to try something real quick here. 1 second. Let's see if this helps at all. It doesn't look like it's going to, but hey, we'll see. Alright. Pack number 2. Cover the back card. Alright, so Kobe Hamilton going to the Bengals. Rookie. Rookie of Tavares King. Got Ezekiel Ansah. And first, oh, holy crap, I see a card that's coming up here. Alright. Alright, we got his Tyler Wilson. Oh my gosh. Tyler Wilson jersey card. Tyler Wilson jersey, number to 1214. Alright, who got the Jets?
Amy?
J. Bo Just. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Geno Smith. 1 of 1 printing plate patch auto. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh, this lighting sucks. Come on. Are you serious right now? Alright, there you go. 1 of 1. Are you kidding me? This is an excellent box. Got EJ Manuel and Geno Smith already. Printing plate, 2 color patch autograph. And there's that 101 right there. Holy crap. Look at that. Oh, why is my lighting suck in this new house? It just moved. That's why it took me so long to get a box break going. But look at that. Are you kidding me? That is just sick. Oh. Alright, that's going to be going in a magnetic case here after this. Oh my gosh, are you like, what the heck? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright. Well, I was going to have this go fast, but alright, here we go. We got Ryan Nassib, rookie. We got Cordell Patterson, rookie. We got us a Zach Dysert, black to 75, insert, rookie. There's that numbering. That's a number to 75 for Dysert. Black rookie insert. There you go. There's a veteran, numbered to 99. Des Bryant jersey, number 99 right there. So there you go for the Cowboys. Numbered to 99. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's not a bad card right there for a jersey. And then for the 49ers, Vance McDonald, rookie auto. And that one's base, so that's not numbered. So there you go, 49ers, congratulations. Let's see, 3 more packs, and we have that, the automatic patch card, I guess. Alright. So we got Eric Fisher going to the Chiefs. Rookie, base. Got us Manti Te'o. There's another veteran. It's an insert blue wave for Tom Brady. That's numbered to 99. Blue wave to 99. So there you go for the Patriots right there. And we got us... Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I don't think it's autoed, but oh my gosh, what the... Alright, I'm going to show that one last. Oh my gosh, what the heck. Alright, so we got us a Auto of John Jenkins, base rookie, going to the Saints. Let's see. I don't want to show that. There you go, Saints. Dude, what the? Are you kidding me? Oh, this one's for the Bills. This is a nasty, nasty patch. Alright, I'm going to show that. Look at that, dude. Are you the second one of one? The second one of one. Holy cow. Oh, come on. There you go. Dude, are you ready? Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that patch is. Holy crap. One of one going to the freaking Bills. Just a sick looking patch. Look at that thing. Like, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. This box is amazing. Just look at that freaking patch. What the heck? And gotta get that in there. Wait, where is it? Where are you? One of one. Oh my gosh. Alright, so you guys, you know, just on my listing, if you want it shipped in a magnetic, you need to email me, and I will, and it's going to be $2. They cost $2 to get, and I will ship those in magnetics. If not, it's going to go on a regular top loader. Alright, we got us a DJ Hayden for the Raiders cornerback, base rookie. We got Markevius Mingo, not Mango. Oh, that one, oh yeah, base. Markevius Mingo for the Browns, and we got us Xavier Rhodes. And let's go with DeAndre Hopkins to 1206. Number 1141 of 1206. Going to the Houston Texans, DeAndre Hopkins. And Quentin Patton, number 186 of 381, or 361, sorry. Dude, I don't know what's with my lighting, but Quentin Patton, jersey auto, going to the 49ers. Nice looking card right there. And again, 186 of 361. Alright, last regular pack until we got the bonus. And to start off, a base rookie of E.J. Manuel. Got his auto earlier. Going to the Bills. E.J. Manuel, base rookie. Theo Riddick. Bleedy Ray Wilson for the Titans. Oh my gosh, dude, are you kidding me? It's not a 1-1, but it's a same team. Okay, alright, here's the Giants. Ryan Nassib. That's to 1214. Number 350 of 1214. So there you go. And why not get his base auto, huh? Quentin Patton going to the 49ers, base auto, so not numbered. 49ers, I think they got 3 hits in this break. So congratulations to the 49ers. And last pack here, guys. Maybe we'll have another Mojo thing. Oh, it's Blue Wave. It's a Blue Wave, so that's to 99. Alright. The defending Super Bowl champions now, huh? Oh, that is a sick patch. Oh, that's numbered to 171, not 99, sorry. That's going to be hard to see with this Blue Wave stuff. Yeah, sorry. Dude, nasty, sick 3-color patch. Blue Wave. Shiny, shiny. Number to 171 of Christine Michael. That patch is sick. Dude, this is a beautiful box. This is a sick box. So congratulations to everyone that hit. I'm going to show these again. This is just ridiculous. Robert Woods patch 1 of 1. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 breaks. I guess, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I believe that's how you can do it. 10 breaks. Just, oh my gosh, that's a sick patch. Hopefully it gets it in there. Yep, there you go. 1 of 1. Show you guys again. Just a sick 1 of 1 patch. There it is. Just nasty. Dude, congrats on that, guys. Please, please, please email me in the next couple days before I get these out. Or actually, I'll email you. I will email you. And there's Mr. Geno Smith. 2-color patch auto printing plate. 1 of motherfucking 1. 2 1-of-1s. And from the 2 top QBs in the 2013 draft, right? I think, if I remember correctly. I mean, they both didn't do too well, but just sick. Congratulations, guys. Just, alright, email me, or I mean, I'll email you, but reply back to me, please. I'm gonna, if you want these 1-of-1 shipped in a printing, or in a magnetic case, it will be $2 extra. But thanks a lot for joining, guys. Just a nasty box. First box I've done in 3 months. So that's great. And we're actually going to be posting another box of this probably next week sometime. So look out for that. I'll send emails out to you guys as well. But thanks for joining. You guys have a great one.